GM guys, welcome to another tutorial on SMC tutorials. So in today's tutorial, we'll be continuing our series on how to navigate the SMC DAO app. If you haven't installed the app yet, feel free to head over to your Play Store or your App Store to download it. And we already have a tutorial on how to set up your account, right? So you can go ahead to check out the tutorial so that you can get started. In this video, I'll be taking you step by step through how to join groups and channels on the SMC app so that you can connect, share ideas, and stay engaged with the community. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful and you want to support us, right, you want to support what we do, you can buy our educational token, WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, right? So you'll find the contract address in the description below. Alright, so let's dive right into this tutorial, guys. So first off, you need your SMC DAO app, right? And like I said, if you don't have it installed in your phone, you'll have to go over to your Play Store or your App Store and download it. Alright, so the first step is to launch the SMC DAO app. And we're going to launch the app by selecting it. Alright, so I'm being requested to provide my PIN. For those of you who don't know how to create a PIN for your account, right, we've already made a video on that, so feel free to check it out, right? It will guide you on how to create your PIN. You know, it's important to set up a PIN for your account for privacy and security reasons, right? So I'm just going to input my PIN now. Alright guys, so we are successfully logged in, and for those of you already conversant with the app, yeah, you know that the home page is the first page that you see once you're logged in. Alright, so if you look down here, you see that there's a number of tabs here, right? So select chats. Alright, so this is like the social hub of the SMC DAO app, right? This is where you engage with the community, right? Here you will find groups, channels, and even private chats, right? Similar to what you would experience on a typical social media platform. It's actually designed to help you connect, share ideas, interact with other members of the community. Alright, so here will be displayed all the groups and channels that you have joined. Including private chats, right? People you have chatted with will be displayed here. So by default, you'll see a chat and a channel already pinned to your list, right? And one of them is the Mappy AI, right? It's an AI that is specifically built for the SMC DAO, right? It can answer questions related to the SMC DAO as well as other general crypto topics, right? So you will also find the announcement channel, right? This is where key updates and information about the community are shared, right? So these two are automatically pinned to your chat list, right? So from here you can explore, like you can join more groups and channels. So I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so to join a new group or channel, select View Groups and Channels. Alright, so you can see all the groups and channels that are available on the app. Right, so to join a group or channel, right, it's very easy. Alright, so say we want to join Samapi's channel, right? So what we'll just do is select the channel and select subscribe. Alright, so it brings you to the chat list, and you can see the channel is already listed on our chat list, meaning that we are now part of the channel. So to open the channel, just select and you're in, right? So you can just scroll through to check all the messages on the channel. So we're going to go back to join a group. So select View Groups and Channels. How you can tell between a group and a channel is that beneath the name of the channel or group, if it's a channel, you see subscribe. If it's a group, you see join chat or request to join. So for those groups that are kind of like private, like this, SMC moderators, you will have to request to join, right? And you'll have to be given permission before you can be part of such group. But other groups are general, like the SMC tester group, the SMC features traders, and some other groups. Right, so we're going to join this group now. All right, so to join the group, select the group and select join chat. Alright, so it takes us back to the chat list with the group now listed on our chat list. So to open the group, select the group. Okay, so we are in. So you can go through the previous chats and you can also drop your own message to join in a conversation. Alright guys, so it's that easy to join groups and channels on the SMC DAO app. Alright, so we've come to the end of the tutorial and I hope that the tutorial was helpful. If you have any question concerning the tutorial, please do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. And do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. See you in another tutorial. Bye.